So let's talk about no prep veneers. Technology has improved so much over the years in terms of the strength of porcelain that we do not need very thick porcelain to have strength. So that is a bonus, which means when you're designing veneers, you don't need to reduce so much tooth structure because the porcelain of the veneers can be very thin. So the ones that I regularly design, I do remove a very tiny amount of tooth structure so that the veneer can sit into the tooth and not be bulky, which could actually inflame the gums, and so that it wraps around nicely in between the teeth. No prep veneers do have a purpose, but I think they're best to use when there already is spacing between the teeth, where the teeth are extremely petite. That way, if you are making the tooth more bulky and adding to the sides, it doesn't compromise anything. With regular teeth, if you're just placing a sheet of porcelain on top and not able to properly wrap it around the sides, you might over the years get a little bit of discoloration along the sides of the teeth, and it might cause the gums to inflame a little bit. So that's why we reduce a tiny amount. If you are conservative like me as a dentist, then you don't need to stress, because I will be doing everything to preserve as much tooth structure as absolutely possible. But they do have a purpose and a place at times to have no prep veneers. It's just you have to be able to pick and choose your cases for it. And if there's a lot of discoloration to mask, then you might want to have a little bit more thickness of the veneer as well. So there's a time, place, and purpose for everything. So that's why we have options.